If you're an arborist, a farmer, a landscaper, a builder, and you've got a machine similar to this, then this is the video for you. This particular customer is a arborist. He's got the heavy duty log grab, he's got the 2 meter Dozer Blade, and he's got the heavy duty fork tines. Along with that, he's got a 745 Avant machine. Now, he wanted a package that was tailored to his needs, but he also wanted the opportunity and the possibility to upgrade this trailer to a 4.5 ton down the track. That's where the Ox Trailer Pro Series plant trailer comes into effect, along with our customized accessories holder, the deck infills, the chain and straps box at the rear. So if you're in the market for a 4.5 ton plant trailer or even a 3.5 ton plant trailer, and you're chasing versatility, adaptability, strength and longevity, please give the team a call because I'm pretty sure we can help you.